This collection of 10 sheets of Dazzles could properly be titled Roses, 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 because that's what this is all about. Now let me show you what's on each of these sheets. Now this is the first one, and you can see that the roses are on white and they're edged in gold foil. Isn't that beautiful? Well, it's so beautiful. There's small pieces, there's borders, that we also did it in black. And we also did it in gold pearl. So gold pearl with the silver foiling. So just wanted to give you lots of options for using these beautiful roses. Now we also have these frames, and I pulled the backing off, but don't you do that, because the backing you can cut into thin strips for borders, and you can use every single bit of these sheets. And you can see that these giant ovals are just beautiful. Some additional roses in there. Now this is the gold pearl with gold foiling. We also did it in gold pearl with silver foiling. So that's going to give you yet a slightly different look. Okay, now we also have this sheet of corners. The corners are roses. I hope you can see that. And then some additional leaves. So we've got those right there. Now we took that single rose that was on, no, it's a different rose. I take that back. We took a separate rose and did it multiple times, and then added a little clusters of roses and single ones and more hearts. So that is for you in black. Black just works so well because you can put it down and color in or back it with paper. Now we also did these really pretty rose borders. So they go the entire length of the sheet, and they're in white with the gold foiling around the edge. So roses just kind of feel like an elegant look, don't you think? Now to go with all of these, and I don't know if you can see this, maybe as I flash it, this is a dark green, and we really felt that the roses could use even more leaves. And so this particular one has these two giant swirls of leaves, and then some smaller ones and a couple of flourishes also. So that is in the green, and in the same dark green we have all of these additional leaves. So you can let them play with the different colored of Dazzles too, and that's going to look just quite beautiful. So 10 different sheets all together. Roses, roses, roses is how I'm thinking of this, and this is available now.